Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this super colourful rainbow crepe cake. Start by mixing together 4 eggs and 100 grams of sugar. Then add in half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 500 millilitres of milk. Give it a good whisk. And sift in 160 grams of cake flour. Mix that in. Make sure there aren't any lumps. And pour in 30 grams of melted butter. And your pancake mixture is ready. Cover with cling wrap and refrigerate for 1 hour. Then split the mixture evenly between 7 bowls and add different food colour to each. Now let's get cooking. Cook these as you normally would on a medium heat. We're going to do about 3 of each colour. Wow, look at that. Purple, my favourite. Once those are all cooked, use a cutter to make the perfect circle shape. This way we can ensure all our pancakes are exactly the same size and the edges of the cake will be even. Pop those aside and in a bowl add 50 millilitres of whipping cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend those with an electric whisk. And then add in 100 grams of icing sugar. Once the cream has thickened, it's ready. Let's layer up our crepe cake, starting with purple. We're adding a layer of whipped cream in between each pancake. So we've got 3 of each colour, and whipped cream in between each one. Smooth it out and just keep going. Then layer up all your different colours. And finally, add whipped cream on the top. Spread it out evenly. It doesn't have to be perfect, a little bit of texture is okay. And then add rainbow sprinkles for a finishing touch. And there you have it, Rainbow Crepe Cake. Brilliant if you can't decide between pancakes and cake. Enjoy!